Okay, guys, as promised, it's the Precious Metals stack update. I'm going to make this kind of quick, although it probably won't be that quick. And yes, I have a solitary white glove on, just one, to go along with my solitary gold coin that's in this box. And god darn, this thing weighs a ton. No, I don't mean that literally. It's probably more like, 15 or 16 pounds. So, I'm going to take out the tray. I'm going to try to pause this video, lay it all out, show you guys. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. All right. So, as I said, I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to try to lay this all out and figure out how to splice this together. So, I will be back.